Welcome to Tammy's Rippin' Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make homemade onion rings. Hope you enjoy. So for the onion rings, I find the largest onions are the best. So once you get a large onion, then you're going to peel it. And then you just give it a rinse and pat dry. What I like to do is kind of eyeball the onion and just see how many pieces you're going to want to divide it in. With this onion I decided 6, I believe, was what I wanted. So yeah, just so you have even slices. And then once they're all sliced up, I like to put them in some cold water until you're ready to use. And now it's time to get your bowls ready. So in the first bowl we have all-purpose flour, and in the middle I've got some flaxseed and water. And during the process you may want to continue to add some water into your flaxseed too, because it will keep getting thicker. So just keep it a nice thin consistency. And then the following bowl you'll have your breadcrumbs and your spices. And you want your onion rings nice and dry for the coating to stick, so I just place them on some paper towel and just lay them all out. And now it's time to do the dipping process. Here I'm just making sure the spices are all mixed thoroughly. I realized the right hand should be used for the flour and the breadcrumbs, and save the left hand for your flaxseed mixture. Now they're all ready to be deep fried. You will want to have your oil nice and hot. I keep mine on about 7. It's probably about 365, I believe, 370. The coating didn't stay on as well as it should have. I believe it was because I didn't use all-purpose flour, so make sure you use some all-purpose flour. And there you have a nice big feast of French fries and homemade onion rings. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.